Welcome to another immersive experience with Key Encounters. Let's talk about it. All right, what we have here is something unique by WhistlePig. That's right, the ones who make the rye whiskey, all the delicious bourbons. They've come out with a barreled aged maple syrup in collaboration with Run Amok Maple. This is a small batch Vermont organic. This is going to be a non-alcoholic item. This bottle is 12.7 fluid ounces. So let's go ahead and crack her open. Okay. If you've tried their whiskeys, bourbons, and ryes, you are in for a treat. Okay. Let's go ahead and let me grab this so we don't make a mess. Oh, that's thick. I think we're only gonna need a little. That is thick. That poured out goopy. That's a good sign, right? Nobody wants runny syrup on their delicious breakfast. So let's see what's happening. Woodsy, a lot of wood. Vanilla. Forest. It smells like outdoors. It has this smokiness to it. It really does. A lot of smoke. Syrup forward. The maple is there. I mean, that's what's outstanding, right? But the maple is strong in this one. So here we go. Very balanced. Sweet, yet savory. Like, it has like this bounce to it. Like the texture is really nice. It's not like it was pouring pretty thick, but it has a nice silky texture. That's wow. Like I would just drink this by itself. Like forget the preface. Just give me the syrup. Yo, it's you know what? It's one of those things that you shouldn't drink on its own or consume on its own. And this by itself, like enjoy it by itself. It's delicious. Like I couldn't drink the whole bottle in a go, but a little bit like this is a great way to have a dessert. I wouldn't honestly waste this on pancakes or any sort of like breakfast confection. I would just want to drink this. That's how good it is. The aftertaste though is woodsy, oaky, and vanilla bean. Right before it's not like vanilla, it's more plantish, if you understand what I'm saying. This has body and characteristics I didn't think that you could honestly do in any sort of maple syrup. This is well thought out and put together. Do I recommend this? Yes. And I do mean like for everything, like pay the price point, whatever it's worth, get it. Stock up on it. It is really good. Man, that is wonderful. So yeah, I think I'm going to leave it at that. I don't know how much more you could talk about syrup, except for, is it delicious? Yes. Would you put it on everything? Absolutely. Could you do it by itself? Yep. Does it have versatility? You're damn right it does. So, hey, I want to thank you for hanging out with me on this experience. And until next time, cheers.